right, it is time for Circle Time. We're going to start off Circle Time with our Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say,
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Same hand goes to our side, and we say,
I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve.
let's join together to work and share.
Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECC, we will reach our dreams.
All right, we're sitting on our square, crisscross applesauce. We're taking a look at the calendar. The calendar is filling up. Today is the 11th day of June. Tomorrow is the 12th. And then we're on to the 13th, and we'll be back here for our last Monday together. And I cannot believe that our school year has gone by so quickly. So let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. There we go.
Why is that high?
Here it goes. Baby. It's just slow.
Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Let me hear ya. And today is Friday, June 11th, 2021. Let's take a look at our pattern. Remember, it goes sun, and then we have a sandcastle, and we have ice cream. So let's say it together. Sun, sandcastle, ice cream. Sun, sandcastle, ice cream. Sun, sandcastle, ice cream. Sun, sandcastle, ice cream. What's going to go down here? Not sandcastle. Sun, sandcastle, ice cream. Sun is next. Excellent. Let's go ahead. What kind of weather did we say today? It's going to be partly sunny, but it's not just partly sunny. What else is out there? It is raining. Boo. What about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have? Sunny weather for tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Let me hear you say it. Everyone together. A, B, excellent. Let's go ahead and count all the way to 20. Let me hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, counting backwards from 10. Let me hear you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go. Hey, is this? Rectangle. What about this one? It's a triangle. What about this one? It's a what is it? Diamond or rhombus. All right, my friends. What color is joy? Yellow. What color is sadness? And how about fear? Purple. Excellent. Going on. Let's look at some numbers, my friends here. What number is this? 3. What number is this one? 9. What about this one right here? 17. What is it? 17. We are looking at some money. What is this brown one? What is that? I can't hear you. What is it? Penny. How about this one right here? Nickel. All right, going on. Our nursery rhyme this week is Down by the Bay. All right, we worked on all these letters. We're finishing up the alphabet with the letter Y. Y says yeah. For yo-yo, yak, and yellow. We're also making the letter Z. Z says zero, zebra, zoo, and zing. We're going to go ahead and make our letters today. As soon as you get your pack, you're going to go ahead and make the letter Y. By yourself. Where do you start your morning?